Hey guys, it is the 15th of December. I have another gold lock here. It's a burg, one of the older ones. I love these. I don't have one in my own collection. It's awarded. And it must lock on this side, because there is nothing here. So let's try the warded picks first. And not push all of my picks down, please. Alright. Alright. Well, that was easy. That was the easy part. Now, let's see, where is that pick I used the other times? I had it, and then I lost it. There we go. And what else? This keyway might actually be big enough, but not for that one. Yeah, this one. Now, if I bend this, which I don't really want to do because this is actually a great tensioner. If I did, I would have a handle that should work. But what about one of these? Come on. No. Simply can't have a good enough grip. I don't think I have anything else I can try. No. So a fairly short video, but we did open it twice without the key. Alright, let's get this on the tree. Woohoo! Put it in the middle. Right there. 15 locks on the tree. I think I'm going to redecorate it. If you just give me a second, you can actually see it right away. And you can go there, and you can be over there, and you can be there. Let it go. No, you have to be there, but you can be there, and you can be there, and you stay where you are, and you go over there. And I think we are there. Alright. We have decorated. So most of it is in the bottom now, because it's actually a little hard to reach while holding the camera. That means we have free spot there, 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 and there, plus these 5. So the bottom is full and the top is almost full now. We have one over there, and yeah, that makes it a little easier to reach while making the videos, putting on the locks. So far so good. What did I say it was? 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 logs, yeah? So 9 more to go and we are there. Then it's Christmas. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.